Alright guys, so now we are a content creator. We are creating content. We film, we edit a video, and then we upload it on YouTube. And then that's it. But now I'm gonna tell you guys that you can also repurpose all the videos, how many videos you got on YouTube, how many videos you upload on YouTube, to repurpose the video and create another video or make another content. So we need to review our videos that we uploaded on YouTube. What are the things that we need to adjust? What are the things that we need to the takeaways of all the videos that we uploaded on YouTube with the help of AI. So hi everyone, it's me again, Maria, and today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can repurpose your video, learn your videos, find out what are the things that are missing into your videos, repurpose it, upload it again, and share it to your viewers. So without any further ado, let's do this. Alright, so first we're going to our channel. If you have a YouTube channel, then go to your channel and let's find the videos that you want to recreate and repurpose it, or you want to review your own video using an AI, right? So rather than using other creators' video that you might get copyright, you might get trouble, why not using your own video and try to review your video, try to find out what you are missing with the help of AI, and then we can also share that to our viewers. And if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Please subscribe to my channel, and to all my subscribers, thank you so much. All right, and like and share this video too. All right, so let's go to the point. So I'm here in my channel. The first thing I'm going to do is to find the video that I want to review. I want to find out what is missing. I want to see what else I can add into my video, so that when I create another one, I know that I can improve this and that. So here on your channel, you're gonna find all the videos that you've already upload, and then we're going to choose one of those video just for the sake of this tutorial, but with the help of AI. All right, so here I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna take one of my videos. Okay, let's say, okay, so I'm gonna take this one, how to insert your video into text using Canva. All right, so I'm gonna take this video to the AI so that we can review it, we can critique it, we can see, let's see what do I need to improve into this video. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm going to take, or I'm gonna copy the link for this video. To do that, first click to share, and then copy the link of this video. But if you want to watch this video from the beginning to the end, guys, on how to insert your video into text using Canva, I will put the link on the description, guys, so that you can click this one. And I hope you learned something into this tutorial. If you want to create like this, as you see here, that I put my my image or my photo inside of text using Canva. All right, so I'm going to copy this. Okay, copy this one, and then we're going to Notebook LM. All right, so I know you heard about it. I think I already made a video about Notebook LM. This is an AI from Google, so you can find it if you go to Google. Just type Notebook LM, and then you will see this website, which is Welcome to Notebook LM. This is where we're going to create a review to my video that I just copied into my own channel. Okay, so you see here are some of the projects that are already made, so we're going to create a new. Okay, click the create a new. And here is the sources. So you're going to add the source that you want to create. So you're going to upload the sources. You can drag and drop or choose on your files and upload it. Or if you scroll down, you can upload Google Docs if you already have a data or a files on your Google Docs or Google Slides. If you want to upload the link, which this is where I'm going to take it, because this is the source that I got from my YouTube channel. I copy the link. Then you can choose if it is on YouTube or your website if you have a website. And you can also copy and paste here if you have a long document, or a PowerPoint, something like that, or PDF files. You can always copy and paste here, or just upload it if you have a files on your computer. Okay, so since I copy the URL from YouTube, so I'm gonna click YouTube, and here you will see, guys, you're gonna paste here the URL that you copied from your channel. So I'm gonna paste here the URL for my video, my own video, not others' video. So once you finish with that, you're going to click insert, and let's wait for a second. So now there you go. So it will show up the summary of your video, that this YouTube transcript, because they need your transcript for your videos. For the channel that I explain how to embed a video within text using Canva. But if you want to customize the review of your video, you can click customize, and then you can change this, because if you just click the generate, this is what they're gonna do. They're things to try. They're trying to focus on a specific source. They're going to focus on a specific topic, which is the one that you're talking about putting image into text, and the target specific audience to explain to someone who is new to your it's a parenthesis, right, into what in which depends on the video or the URL that you're uploading. So you can customize this. I can ask ChatGPT. Okay, go to ChatGPT, and then ask ChatGPT, write a prompt to customize my video. Okay, then you can go to ChatGPT and ask, or ask to how to create a prompt. Okay, so here's the prompt for the video that I will customize into Notebook LM. So I'm just gonna copy this one until here. Okay, just copy, and then I'm going back to Notebook LM, and then I'm going to add here. All right, so now there you go. All right, hold on, and then I'm going to click generate. So let's see how these reviewers, or the one that going to review, the AI that going to review my content, my video, is going to say. Okay, I'm gonna click generate, and now you will see here it's generating the conversation. This is audio. Okay, you can only get the audio of two people talking about the video that I uploaded to Notebook LM. And then after that, I'm going to take that video, and while playing the video, I let these two people talking about it while showing those B-rolls of my own video. I'm not gonna take a B-rolls into other platform, and all the thing that I'm gonna use is the B-rolls for my video. But I'm gonna use this AI Notebook LM, these two podcasters, or these two people talking about the video, as my talking head. All right, so now we're done, guys, and you see it's 7 minutes and 54 seconds. So it's like 8 minutes, for this video. Okay, so let's hear just a short bit, like a 1 minute, of what they're gonna say into my video. So let's hear it.
All right, everyone, we're diving deep today.
Yep.
Into that Canva tutorial. You know the one?
Mm-hmm. Putting video inside text.
With each letter having a little video clip playing.
Very cool effect. Lots of people have been asking about this one.
So we'll be breaking down the steps.
Seeing if they're clear.
If they're practical for you to actually use.
And if there's anything that could make the tutorial, well, even better.
Right. So to kick things off, I gotta say, this effect, it's really eye-catching.
Oh yeah, really unexpected visual. It's not just like throwing a video on top of your design.
It's like woven into the text.
Yeah, woven in.
Like those fancy animated movie titles.
Yeah.
Where each letter like morphs or something.
Exactly. And the tutorial, starts with the basics, adding text to your project in Canva.
Okay, so assuming nothing.
Right. Which is great if you're new to Canva.
Makes sense. Start simple and build that confidence. Then it's off to the Elements library.
To find those letter frames.
Yeah, those magic letter frames.
Alright, so that's how it started, guys. So now, after this, I'm going to upload this audio by clicking on these three dots here, as you see, then download it. And then I'm going to put this into my video editing software, and then I'm going to edit it by putting the B-rolls, which is the video that I copied into my own channel as B-rolls while they're talking. So keep watching, guys, this video until the end so that you can do the same thing to repurpose your video.
All right, everyone. We're diving deep today
Yep.
into that Canva tutorial. You know the one?
Putting video inside text.
With each letter having a little video clip playing.
Very cool effect. Lots of people have been asking about this one.
So we'll be breaking down the steps.
Seeing if they're clear.
If they're practical for you to actually use.
And if there's anything that could make the tutorial, well, even better.
Right. So to kick things off, I gotta say, this effect, it's really eye-catching.
Oh, yeah. Really unexpected visual. It's not just like throwing a video on top of your design.
It's like woven into the text.
Yeah, woven in.
Like those fancy animated movie titles.
Yeah.
Where each letter like morphs or something.
Exactly. And the tutorial, starts with the basics, adding text to your project in Canva.
Okay, so assuming nothing.
Right. Which is great if you're new to Canva.
Makes sense. Start simple and build that confidence. Then it's off to the elements library.
To find those letter frames.
Yeah, those magic letter frames.
And, here's where the tutorial emphasizes a super important design concept. Grouping and ungrouping. So you can arrange the letters.
Make them just right.
Resize
Look at the look you're going for. So it's not just aesthetics, it's about workflow too.
Definitely.
Like if you group those letters, you can treat them as one big chunk.
You got it.
And move them around easier.
It makes things so much easier. Grouping is like a fundamental tool in any design software. Think of it like this. You're temporarily like binding those elements together.
So you can manipulate them as one unit.
Without messing up your whole layout.
Okay, that makes sense. So you have your text set.
Yep.
Letter frames are ready to go. Now for the main event.
Yeah.
Uploading those video clips to Canva.
Uh-huh.
And then, get this, you drag and drop each clip into its own tiny little letter frame.
I know. It's so cool. By isolating those little pieces of video, you create this really cool effect.
It's like a controlled reveal.
Like building anticipation.
Each letter is a tiny window.
Into the bigger picture.
And they specifically mention muting the audio on all the letters except one.
Right.
So the video's playing everywhere.
Uh-huh.
But the sound only comes from one letter.
All right, so I will cut in there, and I hope you got a little snip on how this Notebook LM can review, can do some video reaction using Notebook LM, using the AI that you can find in Google, which is the Notebook LM. So if you want to watch the whole tutorial of that video, guys, I will put the link on the description, and go ahead and watch and learn how to do it. And for those of you who are new to my channel, thank you so much for watching. And before you leave, please don't forget to share, like, and of course subscribe, and click the notification bell so that you always get notified every time I upload a video every week. And to all my subscribers, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.